Hello everybody, it's Danny and Wanda back from Pecan Grove. Trying to endure the heat. It's, what time is it? It is 7:21, it's 110 degree heat index right now. I thought it would cool off this evening, but it ain't doing it. There ain't a breeze blowing, but I gotta do what I gotta do. I got a bag of Hoss 20 here. It's fertilizer. It's a granular form that you mix with water and it becomes a liquid solution. I'm going to let y'all in on a little bit of a secret. It's Danny's time-released fertilizer. I've held back. I normally take the corn cobs that I save here from my Danny corn and I throw them over in the chicken pen. I usually leave the kernels on the tops of them and I let the chickens eat the kernels off. And I let them roll around in the chicken pen and rain on them and roll around in there. Chickens using the bathroom on them where they become covered in chicken manure, and I've been using that as my time-release fertilizer. But I'm going to take it a step further and show you guys another little hack, trick, whatever you want to call it. I take the time-release fertilizer here. This is a 5-gallon bucket here, and I take this and I put like there's 2. I put 3 big spoonfuls of fertilizer in a 5-gallon bucket full of corn cobs. And I'm putting heaping now. I'm not skimping. You see that? I'm heaping it. Now, I'm going to take the water hose. I'm going to wash my hands off because I got it all over me. And this is dissolved in water. And I sit here and it looks like it just goes away. But you see them corn cobs are really, really dry. And them really, really dry corn cobs are going to absorb a lot of water. So what I'm going to do is let this sit here and run that bucket full of water, which it'll be blue when it gets to the top. And them corn cobs are going to absorb all of that fertilizer. Because I'm going to let it sit here overnight and let them absorb all that they can absorb. Because you see, we got some new raised beds. We got the Vego 6-in-1s. And I'm going to need some time-release fertilizer in them. And this is what I do. This is how I do it. I might add, guys, it doesn't have to be the Hoss Tool 20. It's just that that's what I have. You could use any of your water-dissolved fertilizers to do this, and you're going to end up with the same results. You could actually soak them in fish emulsion. You could soak them in, just about anything. If you could stand the scent, it's going to smell pretty bad if you do fish emulsion, but it will work. And you notice what's happening in this one. The cobs are rising up above the bucket. That's because they're floating. In the morning, they'll be sunk down in there and absorb as much of the water as they can. Alright guys, we're just about to get this one full. So what I'm going to tell you to do is just follow us along. We're going to be, this has got a set for a day. So we're going to be filling our 6-in-1 Vego beds with some soil, with our homemade compost, and using our corn cobs in it here, and our homemade DIY time-release fertilizer. Thank you guys from Pecan Grove.